Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Big Mac tacos. The ingredients that we're going to need today are tortillas, 1 pound of ground beef, shredded lettuce, yellow American cheese. We're also going to need black pepper, and also I'm using adobo light all-purpose seasoning, or you can use salt. The ingredients that we're going to need for the Big Mac sauce are 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 4 tablespoons of sweet relish. Okay guys, we're going to make our Big Mac sauce first, so we're going to grab a bowl and we're just going to empty all our ingredients in. Now we're just going to mix until everything is well combined. Okay guys, once your Big Mac sauce is combined, you can put a lid over it and put it in the refrigerator until you're ready to use it. I'm going to just fill up my squeeze bottle with it and set it to the side. Okay guys, next I have my ground beef. I like my meat to be seasoned all the way through, so I'm going to put my seasoning on now. Like I said, you guys can use just salt if you want to. So I'm going to put my adobo light all-purpose seasoning and my ground black pepper. And all you're going to do is mix until well combined. Okay guys, all you want to do now is form your ground beef into a ball. From that pound of ground beef, you can make 6 to 8 of the Big Mac tacos. I'm only making 4. So I'm going to go ahead and get my tortilla. And I'm just going to put the ground beef on top. And all you want to do is press it out until it's nice and flat around the whole tortilla. Okay guys, so this is what everything should look like. Next, we're going to heat up our frying pan. Alright, so in our frying pan, we're heating it up on medium-low heat. I'm going to put just a little bit of olive oil in, and we're just going to spread it through the pan. Next, we're going to add our tortilla and the ground beef. And we're going to let that cook for 4 to 5 minutes. You can go ahead and press down. Okay guys, after 4 to 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. Put your cheese on. You can put a lid on top and let that melt, and just repeat the process. Okay guys, this is what they look like after they're done cooking. I failed to mention in the beginning of the video, you want to add pickles also to it. That's if you like them. And also you can dice some onion. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and put the shredded lettuce on. also a couple pickles. Okay guys, so now what I did, I put them into a taco holder, and I'm just going to go ahead and put my Big Mac sauce on. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Big Mac tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.